Hello dear friends, subscribers, guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to uninstall or delete applications on any iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and let's get started. So first we need to go to home screen. After that, we need to find and choose application that we want to delete. After that, click and hold icon. And after that, click remove application. And here, confirm your decision. And that's all. This is very easy way to do. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone.